Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, we can practically do SEO, on-page SEO, blog on-page SEO in this video. Okay, so I received one website. This website from my followers. They have followed me on YouTube, and they can request me to his doing SEO, but he is not getting traffic, and what I can suggest for the on-page SEO, ethical on-page SEO. So simply we can research her website blog section. So simply we can go for the blog section and we can check what he is doing. So simply, okay, Acharya. And the another things he has published, you can see how many blogs are there. Okay, so first thing, okay, URL is good. So simply we can click to open any blocks, and we'll see what is these things are missing, the directory section. If we can click any blog post, so must should be there is a a blog directory. Suppose that this is my website page and I can go for the blog section and I can go to open any blog. So you can see the blog directory is keeping the same, and after that this is your post URL. If you are haven't between your post and the index page blog directory, that means Google can consider in a your post in a page category section. So suppose that if you are publishing blogs, so you keep blog directory in your index page and the post between your blog directory. Okay, so first is missing point is blog directory, so I can keep it first thing. Blog directory, and the another thing also I can going to let you know guys, I don't have a backend access of this website, so I can take example for the another website for the optimization. Okay, and the second thing what we can do, we can check this website is crawled, this page is crawled or not. So how you guys will check, you can simply click for the your URL before HTTPS. If you can see there now, before HTTPS you can click, and simply you can add write CACHE and colon. Simply you can click for the enter button and you can see, okay, this post is indexed on 5th May. Today the timing is 6:47 12 GMT, yani at morning 6:47 this page is recrawled. So this page is crawlable, and what we can check another things, so we can check title tag. So you can see meta title tag is missing, meta description is missing, keywords are missing, and the another thing you can see this is not a good URL, and also the canonical URL. So you can see, and we can also check in backend. So you simply can click for the Control U and you can check this post backend source code icon and we'll check. You can see canonical URL is this is a very bad thing. OG URL is this, and the title is very short, powerful Kamakhya mantra #1. If possible, you can optimize your meta title and the description where you guys can put it your main keyword, and what about in the description section, what about your blog. And we can see this page content length is very short. This is your title and Kamakhya mantra, and this is your mantra, and also so here is missing many things. And also you can in the block section you can use a schema code SCHE. So he is using any schemas, This is for Yoast. This is not a good. Okay, he has added a published by. I think this is a article vcard author post. He having a author schema, person schema, and another is web page schema. This is organization, and there is no any. Okay, this is a website, a Ghori Tantra, and the name website URL is missing from the person schema, from the organization schema. And also we can check image. So simply he is missing schema.org article schema. Okay, where he has added article schema, where is article URL is missing, article title is missing. So article schema, he haven't any article schema. So what we can do, simply, so I can show you. This is I can consider any blog. So you can see this is a view page, and this is a edit page. Okay, and I can check. So this is a title, description, and this is my website, this post URL, and this is a canonical URL, and we are having 2x h1 tags, so we can optimize h1 tags as well. So let me check. So simply you can see this is extension. If you are having this extension, so I can let you know, SEO meta in one click. This is a extension name. This is a very good extension, so where you guys can audit your on page SEO very simple way. So simply you can check your title, description, keywords, URL, canonical, robot tags. So this is a no follower, no follower, and how much your status about your headings and your line tag. So simply you can go for the header section. There is this is a h1 tag. So how it will be counting a 2x h1 tag? Insert edit link. Let me check. This is, where is this? Insert h1. This is also for the front end. I think this is for the back end issue. So simply you can see this is your title. It should be going to consider in h1, and this is our content, and we are using this heading in h2 tag, and this is for the h4. We can also convert into, I think there is option. Okay, you can also, you can consider is h3. Then you guys can choose your, this is for your h4 tag, and you guys can optimize your content according to the your heading structure. And the first paragraph, in the first paragraph you can add your main targeted keyword. Suppose that this blog for the things to consider while evaluating executive interview. So must you guys can use your main targeted keyword in your first paragraph. Suppose that between in this content, and after that you can use your h2 heading, and if possible you can optimize your heading structure h2, h3, h4, and the h5. You can follow this step for your optimizing your blog content. And there you guys can, if you are using Yoast SEO, so there you guys can add your focus keyword, and you guys can add your blog meta title in this section, and you guys can add your meta description in this section. If you wanting to optimize your slug, what is slug? Slug is this is your slug. You can optimize if you wanting to remove to or an or anything, so you can optimize from there. Now in the slug section, this is a meta description, where there you guys can update your meta description. This is your meta description. Okay, and after that, if you're wanting to optimize your canonical URL, so from in the advanced section there is a canonical URL section. There you guys can add same URL in your backend. So we have optimized our canonical, and the next step is you guys can optimize your OG details. So there is a OG title. So there you guys can add your social media title and the description, and also for the Twitter appearance, same thing you can add. And there you guys can add your tags. So we have completed many things, and the next thing is you guys can update your feature image. So this is a activity for the blog SEO, and also if your pages are having multiple blogs, so you guys can keep internal link your blogs. So and I can show you one thing also, guys. So suppose that this is blog URLs. I have if you are having many blocks, suppose that you can see how much blocks I am having, okay, around 420 blocks we are having. So how you guys can make it your blocks internal link? So suppose that this is a blog for the remote hiring. So you can, the best thing, you can make this blog to internal link with your another blog. So you can add your blog URLs and your blog title, and simply you can check your remote hiring keyword are matching any another blog title. So you guys can make it internal link from this blog to your this blog. So this is a great thing. So you guys can make your all blogs internally linked to each other. Then after that, what you guys have to do next, you guys can start adding internal link for your service pages. Suppose that video interview software, this is keyword for my service page. So first thing, you guys have to optimize your blog title, description. You guys can add your your keyword in your first paragraph, in your headings H2 H3, where you guys can put it to your main targeted keyword. And after that, you guys have to optimize your heading structure, your images. In the image section, you guys can use alt tag and the image title, image name. And after that, if you guys can complete this process, then after that you guys can add if possible, if you are using FAQs in your blog article, so you can add a FAQs schema and your article schema or blog schema. Then after that, you can check and you can update your blog URLs in the sitemap. So you guys, I think you guys will know what is sitemap, so I can show you also. So simply you can after your index page, simply you can type it sitemap dot XML, and you can see this is your sitemap file. So but this is generated by XML Yoast SEO, but you can also generate sitemap by yourself. So this is a process for the on page SEO. So things is we can consider. So you can see what is missing. So title is too short, description is missing, and the her URL is different, and the canonical URL is generating different, and there is a H1 tag missing, H2 tag missing. So the thing is, he can optimize her H1, H2, and he can increase a content length if possible. And after that, you can use your article and the FAQ schema, and after that you can publish your, you can create backlink for your blogs. So this is our process for the blog SEO, blog on page SEO. I think you guys are make it. I think you guys have a clarity something about the on-page SEO for the blogs. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can access all the details easily. So, and for the last, if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, so any kind of service project and suggestion, so okay yaar, so bye bye and take care.